we just received some fantastic feedback from one of our great clients. They wanted to tell us what a great job we did for them, and we wanted to share it with you. So it should come as no surprise that we love hearing from happy and satisfied customers, and this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior customer service. This is one of our favorite reviews as well. Very inspiring. We want you to get the best service possible, and at the same time, we'd like to earn a 5-star review from you. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.